Mudhama says Kamba and Kikuyu votes alone cannot make Kalonzo president as Gachagua alliance forms. Former Machakos Senator Johnston Mudhama has issued a stark warning about the dangers of tribal-based politics in Kenya's presidential contests, even as new ethnic alliances emerge ahead of the 2027 election. Speaking recently, Mudhama emphasized that no leader can capture the presidency by relying solely on ethnic bloc voting. Kamba and Kikuyu votes will not make Kalonzo president of Kenya, he stated, criticizing power-sharing arrangements that prioritized regional support over national appeal. His comments come amid growing controversy over an emerging political alliance between former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.